Hi everyone! So I switched my simple radio and the Kia Picanto with this beautiful multimedia system, and I want to share with you the do's and don'ts that you should avoid while switching, mistakes that I've done, so let's go. So first you should pull out this plastic in the dashboard. I found this to be the hardest part because it is really tight and you should run a strong yet gentle force. Now the important thing is, don't use any kind of metal tool. I used the metal screwdriver gently and I have some ugly scratches along the frame here. Use a performance plastic interior wedge tool. Even a small but strong one is enough. Go along the frame and gently pull the pins and the frame out. Next, you should take the old system out. Here, use a screwdriver and screw out the 4 screws on the edges, as you can see, on this side as well on the other side. Then gently pull the adapter and the radio antenna cable out and take the system off. Another don't here, avoid laying the old heavy metal system there, again to avoid unnecessary scratches. Just put it on the floor or somewhere else. Now you want to remove the 2 original AC air vents and fasten them on the no plastic dash. Next is my favorite part. It's a simple assembly work. You have to plug in the original adapter to the new power connector, then plug the radio antenna, the other RCA cables, also all USBs and 4G's antenna if you have one, and the SIM card cable. As you can see here, I stick the GPS inside the inner board so it will not interfere with the system assembly. It is quite easy because each cable has its unique pins. Also, they are all marked with names usually. The last part is to assemble the system into the car. It's easy, but I found it was not strong as the original plastic. So let's do it here. Take off the plastic pins from the old dash and assemble them into the new plastic. It will be tighter and better. And finally, you have a beautiful multimedia system in your Picanto and some self-proud, of course. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.